Hey everybody, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about the estate planning focus in retirement. Before we get there, however, if you have any estate planning or probate questions, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Now, this is about the fifth or sixth item in the timeline of life in focusing on the estate planning needs at that relevant time. And this video is about in retirement and what the focus is. The primary goal and concern when you enter retirement is asset protection. We worked our whole lives for what we've accumulated, and we want to assess first and foremost, are those assets going to be there for us to help us fulfill any dreams that we haven't met up until that stage? That's estate planning 101. And we would want you to use your assets for yourself. The heck with everybody else. You have to enjoy life. But then if we assess our needs and goals and we're comfortable saying we have more than enough to satisfy all of the things, all of the wishes that we would want during our lifetime, then we can say we can put aside some assets and we determine which ones are appropriate to set aside for your beneficiaries so that those assets are not wasted to a spend down in future years if long-term care becomes a consideration or need. Oftentimes, one of the first assets we would look at is any real estate, essentially your primary residence and maybe a secondary, that is fully paid off, has no lien encumbrances, and we can transfer that to some sort of irrevocable trust. The key there being you can live in that home and as you would before, but the only thing you're looking for is just that, to live there. You're not seeking income from that home, which in some states you would not be able to receive if the asset was held by that type of trust. So in essence, when we're doing a estate planning for someone who's in retirement for the very first time, while we do look at your incapacity protection, as we mentioned early on, for just young adults who are reaching 18, all the way up, you want to have your power of attorney and health documents in place. But we look at, more specifically at that stage, what asset protection we can accomplish, and by protecting the assets that you worked your life for the next generations, assuming that there's more than enough there to fulfill your needs and goals for the rest of your life. As a reminder, if you have any estate planning or probate questions, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Thank you so much for listening. And if you like this information, please share, like, and subscribe where appropriate so you and others don't miss out. Again, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. Take care.